is Ross Williams. I'm the president and CEO of HES Solar.
My name is Wenji. I am with HES Solar and I'm the director of commercial.
My name is Jordan Fenner and I work as an account manager for our enterprise sales team at Energy Toolbase.
Energy Toolbase has a pretty robust product lineup that we've actually really enjoyed seeing grow over the years.
We use Energy Toolbase Developer for the sales development in our company. It's been a game changer ever since. It's been made our proposal creation a lot easier and a lot more streamlined.
ETB Developer is essentially a sales and proposal tool. It has over 1,400 active users, and you can model solar and storage economics, present the economics to end users, all using standardized templates.
It really helped us to be more efficient in our proposal generation, to have a much more robust proposal so that it's clear to the customer, and also be much more accurate.
The advantage for HES is that we just need one person doing all the work. The advantage to the client is that they have a nice, clean proposal that has all the information in a very presentable way. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to deploy. It is monitoring and hardware that is bundled with software that Energy Toolbase provides, and it makes it an entire seamless process. I would highly recommend ETB to any installer.